Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do if the iPhone 7 screen is flickering or blinking horizontal lines. So, you unlock the iPhone 7 and pull down the notification screen to read the alerts as usual. Suddenly, white pixels appear, which then change from a single line to a huge white box. You've tried charging the phone, but the iPhone 7 screen flickering issue remains even with horizontal lines. When iPhone 7 screen glitching issue occurs, it's often caused by a software problem. It covers app malfunctions, software glitches, misconfigured display settings, outdated iOS, etc. However, if your iPhone 7 screen is shattered or cracked, the damaged display could be the main reason for a flickering screen with horizontal lines. After knowing the reasons, follow the steps in the order we present to make the flickering stop on your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Try to force restart the phone. If you're not sure what causes an iPhone 7 screen flickering, start fixing the issue with a forced restart. It helps resolve any minor software issues that cause the display to keep blinking. Here's what you need to do. On your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down key and power key at the same time for at least 10 seconds. After flickering horizontal lines disappear, the device switches off and the Apple logo appears. Release both buttons. Your iPhone 7 will boot up and the flickering screen should be fixed. Step 2. Force quit apps or remove them. For some users, the flickering only happens when opening or using specific apps. If this is your case, force quit or delete apps to fix iPhone 7 screen flickering. Here's what you need to do. Double-click the Home button to activate the app switcher. Find the apps that cause iPhone 7 screen flickering problems and swipe them up to close. If the screen starts blinking again when you reopen the apps, force quit the apps again then delete them. Find the app icon on the home screen, then tap and hold it. In the opening operation menu, tap Remove App. Tap Delete App to remove it from your iPhone 7. If you manage to solve a flickering screen on iPhone 7, then consider using another app. Step 3. Disable Auto Brightness feature if you can. When an iPhone screen flickers randomly, it can be related to the display settings. One of them is the Auto Brightness setting, which could interact with the device lighting situation. To get rid of this screen flickering problem, simply disable the Auto Brightness feature. If the screen could stop flickering for a few minutes, try to do this. Go to Settings. Tap on Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Scroll all the way down and locate the Auto Brightness option. If it's on, tap the slider to turn it off. Step 4. Enable Reduce Transparency. Another display setting that could cause flickering issue is the transparency function. The solution is to switch on the Reduce Transparency feature. Same as Step 3. You only can do this when screen flickering stops for a while and you have access to the home screen. Go to Settings. Choose Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Find Reduce Transparency feature and tap to switch it on. Wait and see if you fix screen flickering on iPhone 7. Step 5. Disable HDR on the Photos app. This solution is from the users on the official forum who have tried and proved the trick. Doing so can help resolve if the HDR feature interferes with screen performance. It might not work for anyone, but if you can access the Settings app, just give it a shot. Go to Settings. Scroll down to find and tap Photos. Locate the View Full HDR option. If it's enabled, tap the toggle to turn it off. If the screen flickering issue continues, move to the next step. Step 6. Try to put iPhone 7 into recovery mode. If your iPhone 7 screen keeps flickering and won't let you do anything, see if it can enter recovery mode for troubleshooting. In recovery mode, you can use Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder to install an update and perform a restore. Sometimes, the new OS will bring with it a fix to the screen flickering issue. Here's what you need to do. Get a Windows computer or a Mac. Install the latest version of iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder and open it. Note that Finder application is only available on a Mac computer running Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later. Next, use a USB cable to connect your iPhone 7 to the computer. Hold down both the volume down and power button for a few seconds until you see the restore screen showing up with a laptop and a cable icon. Feel free to try a few times if you fail. After entering recovery mode, the application will give you a window with the update and restore option on the computer. If you can't see it, click your device name or icon on the left to let it open. Start with choosing the update option first to install the latest iOS that's compatible for your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. It won't delete anything you've saved on the device. Complete the following on-screen steps until the firmware download process begins. If your iPhone 7 exits recovery mode itself, just repeat the steps to enter again and let the update process continue. Wait for it to finish. Once done, see if the screen flickering error on your iPhone 7 is resolved. If yes, then good for you. If not, consider repeating the steps and do a restore to delete everything and bring the phone back to its factory defaults. Double check if you have backups for the valued data and files stored on the device. Step 7. Ask an expert to repair random flickering on iPhone 7 display. If iPhone 7 screen continues flickering and unresponsive, it could be a hardware failure. The culprit could be loose LCD connector, broken display, moisture damage, etc. To stop the iPhone 7 screen from flickering with horizontal lines, have the device inspected at your most convenient Apple store or authorized service provider. The experts there will run a thorough check on the phone and provide you with all the available options. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 7 screen that's flickering or blinking randomly. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.